Section 3.9, balance steel percentage, Rho sub P. So, i-review muna natin yung strain diagram ng ating rectangular na section under balance condition. So, take note, basta balance condition, simultaneous na mag-yield yung ating concrete tsaka yung ating steel. Now, if that is the case, we're going to project here a vertical line galing dito sa strain ng ating concrete sa extreme na fiber. If we're going to take the dimension, i-add lang natin yung yield strain tsaka yung strain ng ating concrete sa extreme na fiber. So, from here, may ma-form tayo na yung gagamitin pala nating mga right triangle is itong right triangle na to tsaka itong right triangle na to. So by proportion, yung strain sub B all over yung strain limit ng ating concrete is equivalent na ngayon sa ating D all over strain limit ng ating concrete plus yung yield strain ng ating tension steel. Then after that, i-cross multiply lang natin ito sa kabilang equation. We'll get na this equation. And also, based sa ating code, yung strain limit ng ating concrete sa extreme na fiber is equivalent to 0.003. So we'll get this derived equation for our location ng ating neutral axis at balance condition. Then also, yung yield strain natin is equivalent to our yield stress all over our modulus of elasticity ng ating steel. And this is now equivalent to Fy all over 200,000. So, ito na ngayon yung i-substitute natin dito sa equation natin dito. After that, we're going to combine itong dalawang terms by cross multiplication. So, 0.003 times 200,000 will get 600 plus Fy all over yung common na denominator na 200,000. And this 200,000 here will be multiplied dito sa numerator natin. And then, if we're going to multiply it by 0.003, we'll get a value of 600. So, in terms of stress naman, yung C balance natin will now be equivalent to 600 all over 600 plus Fy times yung ating D. Now, if we're going to make use of the equation ng ating depth ng ating compression block, which is equivalent to our Rho times Fy times D all over 0.85 Fc prime, we can substitute, diba, na yung equation ng ating depth ng ating compression block is equivalent to our beta times our C here. So, itong beta natin dito, i-cross multiply lang natin sa denominator sa kabilang equation. And we'll get this equation. And if we're going to make our location ng ating neutral axis here to be at balance condition, dapat yung Rho na gagamitin natin dito must be balanced also. So, we'll get here another equation ngayon sa ating C balanced. After that, we're going to equate both equations na to para makuha natin yung equation ng ating Rho balanced. So, C sub B is equivalent to C sub B. So, itong equation na to, ito na. And then, yung equation naman na ito na ngayon. Now, take note, meron silang common na term. Yung common na na expression or variable rather is yung d. So, if we're going to divide both sides of the equation here by d, maka-cancel out na lang to. After that, yung 0.85 fc prime, 0.85 beta 1 fc prime, i-cross multiply natin sa numerator on the other side of the equation. And then yung fy dito will be cross multiplied to the denominator naman sa kabilang equation. We'll get here the derived equation na ngayon para sa ating still ratio at balanced condition.